Oil change warning on in a Hummer H3, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. Okay, so first of all, ignition off, so turn the key off. We flick the ignition on and we press down the accelerator pedal 1, 2 and 3. Then we turn it off, back on again. And as you can see, that warning has now gone away and it's been reset. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.